Welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today's video is, let me try and word this correctly, starting a circle with chain stitches. So how do you start a circle with chain stitches? You will make a slip stitch, and the tutorial for slip stitches and chain stitches are on my channel. Depending on what your project says, if they say please chain 5, which we'll do here, so I'm going to make 5 chain, and your project will say slip stitch into the first chain you made. This will be the first chain here. You do that, and that's your circle. Let me show you that again. If your project calls for 6 chain, you'll make your 6 chain. 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll go to your very first chain stitch and make a slip stitch. That's how simple it is. I will get you on the next basics video. This is the Queen Phoenix out.